Today I'm going to show you how to use Rovo AI in Jira. So if you're not familiar, Rovo AI is actually the AI that is built into Atlassian's tools, okay? And Jira is one of them. So if you go over here, the Ask AI, you can literally go ahead and ask AI whatever it is that you'd like to ask. But what's more valuable is going up to automations over here and clicking on manage automations. Now, once you're going to manage automations, you'll be able to actually use Rovo AI to create automations for you. So quite simply, you click on create with Rovo. You'll see over here in normal human being language, type in what automation rule you'd like to create. When a high priority task is created, assign it to me and give it a due date of 7 days from the date of creation. That is pretty simple, but you can get more complicated. You can put in as much detail as you possibly want. Now, all you have to do is click on preview rule. Over here, you will now see that Rovo is working and it'll create this complete automation for you. And what's great is when it creates it for you, you can actually click on any one of them and you can edit this. So let's say you want to edit something small that it missed, or maybe something that you missed. You can go ahead and edit it right over here. You can also see that you can review the rule and turn it on. Go ahead, click on turn on rule. It'll now show you that it's been turned on. And now when you go out here, you're going to go to right over here to your space, and when you create an item, it'll automatically be assigned to me with high priority, and the due date will be 7 days after the creation. Rovo is super simple and super awesome to use.